trade right now. It's actually 8:30 at night on a Sunday night. And I was kind of talking back and forth with a Maverick Indicators user, and we were just discussing how, how there's opportunities even on Sunday night when the market opens back up with our indicators. So I said, well, let me pop in on here and see if there are any good trades. And I'm glad I did. So let me break down this trade for you right here. If I could zoom in. So essentially, yeah, again, you can see it's about 8:37 at night on a Sunday night. And we are in gold. And why are we in this trade? So the first thing first is we have a red background on the Maverick AI Pro. We are below our Maverick guide. We actually broke below it. I wish I would have gotten into this trade kind of a bit ago. We broke below this blue line right here. Now this blue line is the Maverick guide. When we are above the Maverick guide, we go long. When we are below the Maverick guide, we go short. And we are short right now. I did draw a little bit of a resistance area, or rather a support area. Hopefully it turns into resistance, but this is a support area that I drew. Let me zoom out here for you. You can kind of see it. See how it's been trying to break through this part, and we did break through. You have down arrows, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, now 5 down arrows. Oh, it just went away, but it's starting to come through. 5th down arrow is starting to appear. We're up almost $400. It's just weaning back and forth between 300 and 400, which is fine. But the biggest thing that I love to see here is two things. One is we have pink candles. Remember, at Maverick Indicators, we say when you see pink, it will most likely sink. And sink it is. I mean, once you started getting pink candles up here at 34.57, you came all the way down here to 34.47. I mean, that's some serious coin from here to here. So we got pink candles, which I absolutely love. The other thing that I will, sorry, let me get my screen in here. The other thing that I'll show you is we are completely red other than one formula on the Maverick Multi-X. And the Maverick Multi-X is looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 time frames. 7 time frames, and you can set these to whatever you want. So I have these set at the 1 minute, the 2, the 5, the 10, the 15, the 30, and the 60. Normally, if you've ever watched our channel, I normally have these set to 6 time frames, but you can add a 7th time frame, and I had that because I was doing a demo video earlier. So the way the Maverick Multi-X works, and we are solid red, except for one formula, we are solid red. And imagine having 5 traders you trade with and sending those 5 traders to multiple time frames, and you say, hey, give me your opinion. Are we going up or are we going down? And the first trader says, yeah, I think, man, looking at the 1 minute chart, looks like we're going down. The second trader looks at the 1 minute chart and with its own criteria and says, yeah, it kind of looks like we're going down. The third trader looks at the 1 minute chart and says, yeah, it looks like we're going down. The fourth trader, and so on and so forth. So it's 5 formulas. So think of it like 5 independent traders looking at each one of these time frames and giving us their opinion. Now, never mind this line in the middle of the 10-minute chart. That's the opening of the market. So anyway, pretty awesome, right? Pretty awesome. So we have one holdout formula on the 30-minute chart, but by and large, you are red. And we just took one contract. I'm going to move this to break even. And we're up $480 on this trade. And am I stressed? No. It's a Sunday night. I never trade on Sunday nights, right? But I'm not stressed. I have a red background. I am below my Maverick guide. Remember, when we're above the Maverick guide, we go long. When we're below the Maverick guide, we go short. I'm below my cloud. I got red arrows pointing down. We just broke $500. We got red arrows going down. We have pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. We're below this kind of the support area, and we are absolutely red on our Maverick Multi-X. 5 traders, think of it like this. It's 5 formulas, but I want you to think of it like a trader. 5 traders looking at 7 different time frames, all saying, you're probably going down. Okay, so we're at $530 now, and we just keep sinking. Now, one thing I do want to make sure, because it is a Sunday night, I'm going to draw a line right at this low here, just so we're aware of that line right there, okay? Fundamentals still do matter. I don't care what indicators you're using. Fundamentals still do matter, and this looks like a pretty strong line right there. I mean, it's got stopped quite a bit right there. So, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my take profit right above it, and oops, yep. Oh yeah, let's get a little momentum. So let's see if we can tap that. And you see the strength, it wants to push down. And I'm going to bring my stop loss. I'm going to ride this close because this is a strong line right here that we are looking at. Very strong line. And I don't want to give up any of this wonderful Sunday night profit here. So I'm probably going to put my stop loss right at the top of this candle, which I'm probably suffocating it, and I could have just closed it, right? Taking the $500. I guess I'm being a little greedy here because I still have the pink candle, but it could come up, test this. It could come back up, test this, right? And then break down. But it's a Sunday night. I kind of want to go to bed, to be honest with you. It's been a long day. So we did some traveling today and stuff like that. So yeah. So I'm going to ride this one pretty close. I'm up 600. Boom. There we go. Okay, awesome. So you saw it just broke here, and I'm going to assume that it's going to hit a little resistance right here on this line. Now, I could be wrong. It could just keep crushing down, but this is still a valid trade, right? Because pink candles, down arrows, and the down arrows are not a sell signal. The down arrows, yeah, see it, look at it bouncing at this line. The down arrows are just saying the fastest part of this indicator is saying down. So that's the quickest that's going to react. You're below your Maverick guide, your blue line, and you're pretty solid red on your Maverick Multi-X. 7 time frames, 5 traders looking at 7 time frames, all voting red. Feeling pretty good about that. So let's pull this up. All right, so we made $640 on that trade, and it's a Sunday night. How long was I in that trade? I honestly don't know. I'd have to go back to this video when I edit it for YouTube, but probably 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I don't know. So anyway, so if you're interested, we're giving away a 7-day trial to this indicator because we know you will love it and it's the edge you've been looking for. We teach you how to use the indicator. It's simple, stupid, and it is powerful. Okay, it's powerful. If you want a 7-day trial, go to MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com, and we will get you hooked up. All right. We just used this indicator to get another $100,000 in funding in just 3 days. So anyway, if you're interested in either one of these, we'll give you a 7-day trial. That's how confident we are that you will love it. You just saw us pull in $640 on a trade on a Sunday night. So go to MaverickIndicators.com. We'd love to have you.